Welcome to the assembly guide for Royal Plus manufacturing by Fun Ride. Box include main body, front wheel, handle, head, footrest, seat, flute pipe, movement wire, basket, front mudguard, axle, rear wheels, parental handle, wheel cap, battery, hardware, insert axle into the main frame. Insert the wheels on both sides into the axle. Secure the wheels with a washer and quarter pin. Cover both wheels with wheels cover. Place the front mudguard onto the fork. Insert the front fork into the main body. Insert the handle into the fork as shown. Secure the handle by tightening the knob. Open the cell cover using a screwdriver. Insert the batteries according to the polarity and close the cell cover. Secure the head by tightening it using a nut and bolt. Insert the flute pipe as shown. Secure the flute pipe with a screw. Fit the movement wire into the fork. Secure the rear side of the movement wire with a nut. Place the seat onto the frame. Secure the seat with a nut. Place the basket on the rear side of the frame. Secure it using a nut bolt. Attach the hand grip to the main pipe using nuts. Insert the parental handle into the flute pipe. Secure the parental handle with a flower bolt. Insert the footrest as shown. Secure it with a nut and bolt. Now your Royal Plus is ready to use.